In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy GitHub Copilot in just 5 minutes. Let's dive into this straightforward process so you can get started using this powerful tool as soon as possible. First, we need to head over to the GitHub website, open your preferred web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to the login page. In the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address associated with your GitHub account. Make sure you type this information correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you have your username or email entered, you'll need to enter your password in the field beneath it. After inputting your login credentials, click on the Sign In button to proceed. This action will take you to your GitHub dashboard, which is your starting point for accessing all GitHub features and settings. Now that you're logged into GitHub and at your dashboard, the next step is to access your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture, usually located in the top right corner of the web page. It will open a drop-down menu with various options. Here, you'll want to click on the profile option to go to your personal profile page. From your profile page, find your way back to the main GitHub site. You can do this by clicking on the GitHub website link, which is often available on the page. Once you're back on the main site, locate the Try GitHub Copilot button. This button is usually prominently featured on the home page or can be found in the Features section. Clicking this button takes you to the GitHub Copilot page, where you can explore more about this tool. On the GitHub Copilot page, you will see an option that says Get Started for free. Clicking on this link will guide you through the process of setting up GitHub Copilot for your account. It's important to note that while the getting started process is free, GitHub Copilot might have subscription plans depending on the current offerings, so be sure to review any terms or pricing details they provide to understand what you're subscribing to. Once you've clicked Get Started for free, follow any additional prompts provided by GitHub. These could include confirming your account details or agreeing to terms of use, and there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process to buy and begin using GitHub Copilot, empowering your development process with the latest AI coding capabilities. Enjoy coding with this incredible tool and explore the myriad of possibilities it opens for your projects.